Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So my beautiful client Alison has come in and we're having a nice fresh set of acrylic nails. So we've gone in and done all our prep work. So we've sanitised our hands and her hands, my hands and her hands even. Pushed back her cuticles, got in with my Efile bit to clear off any dead skin, then etched with a 180 grit hand file, cleaned away all the dust, dehydrated, applied my forms and then primed. And now I'm coming in with smashed peach and just creating a full nail of this on the pinky finger. So the brush that I'm using here is the Glitter Planet Aqua brush in a size 12. It's a lot bigger than what I'm used to working with. I am still trying to get to grips with how big it is for me, so you will see me swapping in between the Glitter Planet Magic Stick size 10 and the size 12 Aqua brush. A lot of people were asking yesterday where I got the brush, and I did say in the video that they are from Glitter Planet, and the link is in the description box, as well as a discount code where you can get some money off any orders from them. So once I'm happy faffing around with that nail, I will then move on to the next one, and we're just going to go ahead and build a clear layer because we're going to do some colour blocking. And now I've swapped over to the Magic Stick in a size 10, and that is also from Glitter Planet. And then on the middle finger is just going to be a full nail of the peach. I don't want to talk a lot through this video. I feel like I'm kind of talking through my nose because I have really bad hay fever and it is absolutely kicking my ass this year. I don't think I've actually had it this bad before, but it's really killing me off. So yeah, I sound a little bit weird because my nose is shut. So yeah, this is just a full nail of peach. Just trying to keep the shape as true as I'd like it. And then coming in with that cuticle bead. Oh my god, so much faffing. Placing that bead right at the cuticle, tucking it in with the very tip of that brush, using it as a barrier, and then patting and dragging that bead down. Sometimes I don't realise how much you actually faff around with a nail before you watch yourself back. Anyway, then I'm coming back to that ring finger because we're going to do some colour blocking. So I'm taking that peach, making like a triangle shape at the cuticle area. Not worried too much because we are going to file it nice and crisp. And then onto the index finger where I've already done my thin clear base. I will come in with Rose Gild from the Glitter Fairy and just do the same method, just, you know, using the same skills that we did yesterday in yesterday's video. So just picking up the tiniest amount of clear acrylic, just enough to secure the glitter and move it easily around the nail, using very thin. Just nudging it into place around the cuticle area, and then just kind of building up around the nail, trying to get good coverage, and not using as much clear acrylic, just dabbing raw glitter into that wet layer as I see fit. And then I will just give it a couple of seconds before we go ahead and cap that nail. So moving back to the ring finger now, and we are going to file those edges nice and sharp. So I just made sure that I built a high enough wall and also my apex in the back third there with the peach, because I'm not going to cap this nail. And then making sure my file is really flat up against those sides so that the next colour will be nice and crisp when we butt it up to it. And then just tidying up those edges, because why not? Dusting away any of that dust, because we don't want any of that left on the nail before we go ahead and apply any more acrylic. And then I'm coming in with Milky Pink and just going to create a colour block design. So I just cut into that with a little bit of hair off film, just as you can see that cut that I did there. And then I'm just going to go back and encapsulate the index finger with the glitter. The thumb was just pure peach. Then again, back to file that wall nice and sharp. And then we're going to apply the Rose Gold glitter on the free edge and cap. I didn't leave any filing in today, but I have left some crystal placement. So I thought I would rather leave some of that in than some of the filing. So I was very kindly sent some of this Kuku, it's like a gummy jelly, gooey jelly kind of stuff, adhesive for your crystals. They also did send me a very big crystal box as well, but I'm not using those crystals today. I'm just going straight in with some crystals from Angel Crystals, and they are genuine Swarovskis. I think this is a collection, I'm not sure. I will double check and leave it in the description, but it came as a pack with all these different shapes and sizes, and they're just so stunning. I'll leave a link to the Angel Crystals website in the description box, so you can go ahead and check their website out. Their Swarovski crystals are stunning. So yeah, I'm just using that gel in the little areas that I want the crystals stuck on. And what I really loved about using this gel was that when I'd done all my crystal placement, I got my client to flip her hand around so that I could see where they were, like if they were central or if they needed moving just slightly, so that they actually looked exactly how I wanted them to look. And obviously sometimes when you're using glue you don't have that chance to do that, so I really enjoyed that. And then I went ahead and cured that in the lamp for 60 seconds. It does have a tacky layer, but I didn't, you know, don't go over the whole entire layer, but if you do a little bit, I just went over with my tack-free top gloss. I didn't bother trying to remove the inhibition layer because I was going over with top coat. So yeah, and then I will cure this in the lamp for 60 seconds again, and when she comes back out, give it a second to cool and go ahead and apply some Sherbet Lemon Cuticle oil. And then that's the end of the video. I really hope you have enjoyed this one. I loved it. I love doing a nice different colour for a change. If you did like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you're not ready to subscribe to my channel, please go ahead and do that. And don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you never miss a video when I upload one. I love you all so much, and I will see you all again in my next one. Bye bye.